Dear viewers, please remember to subscribe after watching the video. Thank you. Home remedy for Staphylococcus. Home remedy for Staphylococcus. This remedy will cure Staphylococcus and it will also help to clean your system. Ingredients: Guava leaves, Moringa leaves, Moringa seeds, turmeric, garlic, ginger, aloe vera, pawpaw leaves. Preparation: how to prepare this herb. Wash all the items and boil them for 35 minutes. Usage: take first thing in the morning and last thing in the night. This remedy also cures the following: impotence and low libido. It increases the sperm production. It cures menstrual problems. It corrects erectile dysfunction. It cures waist pain. It cleanses the body. Total body cleansing. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And also, to get notified whenever we post new video, please click the notification button beside the subscription button. Thank you. Have a nice day.